Hello everyone friends, today we are at GGDROP. We have $1,000. We will try to multiply it. Let's see if we can do it. If you want to multiply like me, if you click on the plus section, you can open this page and use my code to benefit from bonuses. Just having this part of the app will suffice for you. As you can see, there are many payment methods available. You can choose any you want and make your payment, friends. It's that simple. Here's the world section, friends. My code. I will put it in the description. Let's find out what we received. An extra bonus has been added to our cash. Nice. When you invest, my code will give you an additional 7% bonus. It's actually good. It's not too bad. Now here are the chests we enjoy. Let's open these. We need to get good results today. If we fail, we could encounter some issues. Bad. We lost the butterfly again. We lost it again. It would have been nice if we hadn't. The butterfly shouldn't leave. When he says that, we can't really do much. From this point of view, it doesn't look so bad. Let's check what will happen with the leftover boxes. What will the situation bring us? Let's see. We have a knife. We missed the second. This place is also not good. These payments aren't good. I can say this by looking at the last boxes. Let's open the last box of the day quickly and directly. Nothing particularly good has come from here. Anyway, friends, that's all for this video. See you in the next ones. Farewell.